Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful customized inlay ring. I used amethyst and emerald mica powder, silver glitter, a blank inlay ring, and a few plastic lids that were left over from a previous project. I used these lids to mix the glitter and UV resin and also the mica powder and the UV resin together. They're perfect for throwaways, but knowing me, I'll probably find another use for them. I have silicone tools in a cup, but using the lids is just more convenient for this project. I bought the amethyst and emerald powder off of Amazon. The silver glitter is from Hobby Lobby. The inlay ring is also from Amazon, and I'll be using a toothpick to freehand the design. On my mat, there is a clothespin. This helps to keep the ring secure and stable while I'm freehanding. When using mica powder, you don't need a lot. If the mixture is too thick, you'll have to add more UV resin to balance it out. And we don't want to waste any unnecessary materials. Now, once I've added the mica powder and the UV resin to the lid, I'm going to mix well until there's no more visible powder. When the idea came to mind to record this video, I was already almost finished. The first step I did was add the emerald mixture because that was her primary color. So wherever the center of the ring was, I added one or two random dots, or I might take my toothpick and make little swirlies coming out of it, and then I would go ahead and cure it immediately. And once I was done curing, then I would adjust the ring to another blank area and make another one or two random spots and cure it once again. And I just repeated this process around the whole ring. Now, once I was finished with doing that, I grabbed my glitter mixture and I grabbed a clean toothpick because I didn't want to mix the emerald color with the glitter color. I wanted them to be separate. So I grabbed a clean toothpick, I dipped it in my glitter, and I went around and outlined all the parts of the emerald mixture. Now I also did that in increments. So I went ahead and did maybe one or two dots at a time with the glitter and cure it, and then go back, outline another one or two dots and cure it until I was finished with the whole ring again. Now, this step that I'm currently working on is filling in the blank or the empty pieces of the ring with the amethyst color. So that way each color is separated because of them being cured, they're not running or leaking all over the place. Now, I do have a mini lathe, but I kind of just prefer to do it this way. Now I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video because that's all I'm doing is just repeating the process of filling in the gaps with the amethyst mixture. So stay tuned at the end of the video so that way you can see the finished product and actually see a really good up close picture of it, because when I tell you this is absolutely beautiful, it is absolutely beautiful, and I am so proud to say that I created this. So, as always, thank you for watching. Let me know your opinions, suggestions, or your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, happy crafting.